Today we are going to see about what is prepending, a technical method used in social engineering to trick users into entering their username and passwords by adding an invisible string before web link they click. The prepending string converts a link into a data URI or data URL that embeds small files in line of documents. To understand what is prepending in cybersecurity, I'll give you one scenario. An email attachment that appears totally above board on from a trusted source drops into the inbox of an unusing user. However, a nasty surprise lies in wait. As soon as the user opens up the body trapped attachment, the malicious code that was locking dormant with the prepended content springs into action. This code that was tracked on through prepending could potentially wreak, exposing sensitive information, leaking data, or even blasting open a pathway for cyber criminals to infiltrate the entire system. Once this Trojan has attachment infiltrators, it weighs it to device or network. Attackers can often convert their confidential files, siphon off critical data, and gain a foothold to advance their criminal schemes. So this is the way the prepending attack was happening. One more example I'll give you. One common prepending attack example is tacking malware onto legitimate files or documents. Cyber criminals may prepend a malicious script or program to something like a PDF or Word files. They will attach that attacks whatever they're going to do. When the files is opened, the harmful code hidden through the prepending activates, potentially exposing the system. Another prepending technique is striking malicious links on the front of valid URLs or emails links. The prepending contents allows the link to bypass security filters and tricks users into clicking through assorted sites. Prepending can also be used to dupe users through DNS domain name system. Attackers registered malicious domains by adding extra characters to the beginning of legitimate business sites. This redirects traffic from the real site to prepended impersonator domains where data can be intercepted. Pretexting leverages made up scenarios and false contents to manipulate users into handling over sensitive info. So prepending builds on this by way crafting convincing looking domains and URLs to reel in victims. The combo makes for an extremely sly attack. So this is a way we see what is prepending and what is their attack and some example scenarios how the prepending is happening. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks once again.